Hey everyone, welcome to one of the parts of, or the first part of the Makerspace's 3D printing training set. For this part, since this is the first part, it's going to be focused on how to upload a file, slice a file, and export that file to a print bed. As we move on in the later parts, they're probably going to get a lot more niche and specific and descriptive about certain problems and how to find solutions and how to work around, how to utilize these printers correctly. But overall, this is just a beginner part. So right now you have logged into the Makerspace's main computer, and now you have gone to the Bambu Studio application where you see this, and now you're wondering, okay, how do I import my STL file, my object file, my step file, my 3MF file onto this print bed? Well, if it is on the Makerspace's computer, that file I'm talking about, all you would have to do is go to the file system up here, click import 3MF, SCL, step, SVG, etc. And then find, and it usually pops up with like only files that are those, so 3MF, step, SVG, step, and STL. So for instance, this one is going to be an STL file. This is just a random one I'm going to pick. And so right now we have uploaded our desired correctly filed type, which is going to be this rectangular prism. And immediately after this, we're going to come over to here and just look at the certain traits, so quality, strength, speed, and support. The only things that you really have to worry about are just going to be strength. You're going to come down here to sparse infill, and for sparse infill pattern, you're going to, if it's not gyroid, make it gyroid. This is just a pattern that just helps the print come out nice and good, nice and strong. And then it's going to be the other one that you have to worry about. It's going to be support. For support, if enable support is not clicked, make sure it is clicked. And for type, it's going to be tree and auto. Please do not try to use your own filaments or try to use your own supports. It will not work, unfortunately. No hate and no flame. But of course, if let's say you have a lot more experience with these Bambu printers and how to correctly 3D print, you are more than welcome to try other things in any of these rows and in quality and speed and anything else. But this part is basically just for a beginner, so you don't really have to worry about anything besides the strength and supports. As we move into other parts, as I've said before, we'll start to get into more specific things. But other than that, this part should be done. And now you're going to come up to here and click sliced file, or slice plate, where you're going to slice the plate so it's going to get prepared to be exported to the 3D printer. And right then it says slice was okay. And in this bar, it tells you all the information that you should know. For instance, the total amount of filament, which is 18.67 grams, the prepared time, the model printing time, and the total time. So now we can see that it's going to take around 53 minutes and 1 second. Now that we're done with the strengths, the sports, and slicing it, we're going to click print plate. And for printing plate, if you're on the Makerspace's main computer, all the available printers should pop up. So for instance, Mars, Mercury, Neptune, Saturn, Uranus, and Venus are all prepared for you to start printing. Under the assumption that you already have filament in there and that those printers are already prepared for you, you are able to click any one of these. For instance, I'll click Neptune, and we click send to send off our 3D print. So now it's sending print job over to LAN. It says successfully sent. It says connecting up there. And right now, this printer is now getting ready to start printing Exquisite Jabon, which is just the random file name type that it gave me. So right now it says heat bed is preheating, and if there's no other problems, your print should start printing.